today with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed to my channel already. If you are subscribed, please make sure to turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Today I will be showcasing another unit from the company Myfirstwig. This is their box. I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below in the description area for you. This time around I picked something a little bit more natural. Yes, I have been showing you bob. Okay, we've been going hard with the bobs, okay, but it's about to get a little cool outside. A little cool. Y'all know Texas taking a long time to get cold, but it's time to start bringing out a little bit more inches, so we're going to get into that. Of course, you guys know this is what the bag looks like. Get a little drawstring bag, and then they did include a beginner kit, which is extra on the website if you want that included in your box. But let's go ahead and get into this unit. Okay, so this is their Yaki layered style. This is in the length 16 inches. This is a natural color. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. It is 130% in density. This is your pre-everything wig, so it comes with a comb on each side. It also comes with a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, so your removable adjustable elastic band. You cut lace in the front and also in the back area. They did go ahead and bleach the knots, and this does come with a pre-plucked hairline. If you don't know, with Myfirstwig, I am always a cap size 1 because I do have a small head and it does fit me really good. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this strap right here. I'm trying to see which one they have it on, and I might, let me see if I can adjust this a little bit more in the nape area, because of course we want this to be snug because this is going to be a glueless install. So Miss Ma'am is on and she is fitted. Okay, she's fitting. She's fitting really well. At first I thought you could see my cap on the side. I don't know, I don't think it's that bad. Nothing for me to really worry about. Now, with the way the cap is now, I think the last wig I did not cut the lace off on the side, but this one I am gonna have to end up trimming some lace that can sit above my ear. Yes, my sideburns are still out because of my cut, but this is laying down very flat. That is definitely giving scalp. Let's get into this parting space. This far. You might can go over a little bit further. Yeah, I wouldn't go over too far, but you can go over this far. So it's definitely looking like scalp. I just love how flat it is at the top. It's not a lot of density, which makes me happy. And then let's get into this hairline. The hairline is looking really good. It's looking very natural. It's not doing too much. You can still see some of that Yaki texture in the front, which I love because it just helps kind of blend the lace in even more. The lace, for some reason on my side, I feel like it's coming off a little bit more on the browner side, but we'll see once I kind of put it all on, because usually I don't have any issues when it comes to their lace. But like right here, you guys can see how it's just a little bit lighter, and maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but we'll see when I finish installing and everything. But as far as the length of this hair goes, this is the length. Let me see if I can sit up a little bit more. This is the length. Seems to be a little bit longer than 16 inches, but it does have layers that you can see kind of when I turn like this. You can see the layers. Once I kind of curl and everything, you'll be able to see it a little bit more. This is the perfect density. This is like an everyday density. It's not doing too much, but it's just enough to where you're not going to see any tracks, and it's still going to come off looking super natural. So time to start getting into, like I said, the fall winter wigs. So I'm excited to go ahead and install this, and I'm gonna see what looks I can come up with. And of course you guys will see the final looks and also hear my final thoughts. So let's get into it. On this wig, very easy to install. I just used a little bit of my olive oil mousse around the front of the hairline. I didn't add any bobby pins on the side today because I feel like it fits me pretty snug, so I'm not worried about it going anywhere. However, if I was out, it was windy, I would definitely add some on the side for extra security so I don't have to worry about that lace kind of flapping up by the ear. But everything fits by the ear really nice now because I did go ahead and trim it down. And when I put my mousse on, I just kind of swooped it into place so you wouldn't notice this little lace right here, and it swooped like really good because you can't, you know, really tell unless I just kind of lift it up like that. The lace blended in fine to my skin. However, there are some areas that I do still feel like is a little bit light, but on camera it's not coming off that way. When I took my picture, it's not coming off that way, but for me, like if I looked up a little bit, you could see a little bit of lightness. So I would just go in with just a little bit of powder. Speaking of powder, I didn't have to put any into the parting space area, which is really nice because they already went ahead and bleached it. And I showed you guys two styles today, which was the middle part and of course the side part. Both of them look really good. Now I decided to kind of curl the hair under just a little bit to be able to see the layers, and you can definitely see them right in this area. Flat iron really well. It's Yaki texture, so for me, you really don't have to do too much when it comes to Yaki texture. Yes, Yaki can hold a curl, but the curl just won't last long unless you go in with some very small long curls, and it's going to just drop into a nice little wave. But the smaller, the longer it will last, at least in my opinion. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did get a little bit of shedding going on. The hair felt just a little bit dry towards the very front part at the ends. I didn't put any serum into it because I knew I was going to do two styles, but still easy for me to run my fingers through. This one feels really lightweight, and the Yaki does feel soft, so it's not dry all the way through. I just noticed it like right at the little parts of the ends, but once I straightened it out, it didn't feel as dry. Snags goes, I'm not getting any at this moment, but because I have dealt with Yaki texture, if you are not new here, you've heard me say this a million times, so my bad, I'm repeating it for the ones who don't know. But as Yaki starts to get a little bit older, the ends to me are what you are going to have to take care of because they start feeling a little brittle, a little dry. So make sure you go in with some moisturizing shampoo and conditioner to help maintain that. Other than that, she's really cute. The one thing I will say is that I love that the density at the top isn't heavy also, because it makes everything lay down really flat. Now, as I was moving the hair over to the side part, I did have to go in between sections just to kind of flatten it out a little bit. And of course, I went in with a little bit of mousse at the top because y'all know when it comes to Yaki texture, the little flyaways be flying away. But it wasn't too bad this time around, okay? It wasn't too bad because y'all know I have said a long time that sometimes with my first wig units, the short hairs at the top can be just a little bit too much. But this time around, they weren't all over the place. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I feel like it looks super natural. It's not doing too much, and that's okay. Sometimes you need a wig that's not gonna do too much, that's still gonna give you this my hair look. If you are feeling this, I am gonna make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.